guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be reviewing Color Bar Blue Light Defense Luminous Moisturizing Cream and Blue Light Defense. Okay, so this is something interesting. Okay, this skincare range, I find it totally interesting, and these days we are mostly exposed to blue light rays emitted from our digital device like tech device like smartphone and tablets, our laptops. So most of the time there are so much long-term side effects of the blue light emitted from our screen, from the laptop screen, from the phone screen. So these are the skincare product that is going to defense. This is going to protect your skin from the blue light, you know, harmful blue light side effects. So I have like a moisturizer, and the brand has launched like totally 5 different categories of product from the same range. So you will get a moisturizer, you will get serum, you will get scrub, face pack, and there is like a face wash. So there are total 5 product in this range. So according to your like requirement, you can go with any of these product. So in this video I'm going to be reviewing only the moisturizer, but I will show you all of these products. You know, you will get some idea like what are the different categories of product in the same blue light defense range from Color Bar. So firstly we have this moisturizer. This is a blue light defense moisturizer, and of course the packaging looks so good. Okay, and it is priced at 550 rupees. So you will get a moisturizer, and in the blue light defense range we also have this skin shield oils, like a serum oil. So you can use this right on your skin, and also there are 3 different skincare product. One is the face wash. So this is the blue light defense everyday facial cleanser, and then there is a blue light defense scrub. It's a facial scrub, and the other one is a face pack. So we have like total 5 products in the blue light defense range skincare products. So any of these are, I have tried all of these products and they are really good, like really nice. So in this video I'm just going to show you the moisturizer first, and if you want to check out the reviews on all of these like serum and scrub and face pack and all, so you can check out the separate videos related to that. So in this video we are going to talk about only the moisturizer. So this is how the packaging looks. It comes in a very beautiful glass packaging and looks premium. It looks good quality, and when you open this moisturizer, let me just open this for you all. So it comes in something like this. It's in the gel based formula. It has like a really nice yellowish color tint in it. So I'll just show you how it looks. It's a gel based product. I have already used some of it. Slightly yellow tint in it, and it's a gel based formula. This is how the packaging looks, and it's not lightweight. You get around 50 gram of product, and it is priced at 550 rupees, which is kind of a reasonable price because of the quality of this product. And next I'm just going to show you the moisturizer, the swatches, and I will also show you the demo, how it appears on my skin. So you can just get the idea, you can see the product, you can feel the product through this video, and then you can make your own choice, a better choice for yourself. So this is the consistency of the moisturizer. It has the gel based formula, so that's why it is recommended for all different skin type, and anybody can wear it, male and female both. It's unisex moisturizer. So I'm just gonna swatch this and blend it. So you can see it has gel like texture, and it's non-sticky, non-greasy product. It will hydrate your skin, and it will also moisturize your skin, and it will protect your skin from the side effects of the blue light from your laptop screen and smartphone screen. So it has the benefits if you use this on a daily basis, and for a long run usage you can go for this, if you especially indoors, like when you're work from home things. So I'm just gonna blend it on my hands. Let's not waste the product. It also adds a little bit of glow on the skin. So I like to just wash my face with blue light defense facial cleanser first, and then sometimes I wear my moisturizer straight away, And if my skin feels like extremely dry, or if I'm just gonna wear my moisturizer, then I also like to use the serum. Like firstly I'll apply the serum and then I'll apply my moisturizer. During summers I would recommend you can go only with the moisturizer. It will feel lightweight on your skin. You may not need the serum as well, so it's up to you, like you can make a right choice. And I'm just gonna apply this on my face, and because it has gel based formula, it's very lightweight, so all the different skin type people can wear this, either it's oily, dry or combination. It has this yellow like texture. Okay, it will be nice like if you wear this in your working hours, when you actually spend a lot of time on your laptop, on your smartphones, you watch movies, Netflix. You can see it is non-sticky. It blends like water into my skin. It's not greasy as well. So I have like oily T area and a dry skin on the sides of my face. So mostly if I don't take care of my skin a lot, then my skin will be drier side. So guys, this is how the moisturizer looks on my skin. You can see definitely it has added some glow on my skin. It feels really lightweight, and you can wear this underneath your makeup as well. And it's very hydrating and moisturizing, and it will lock the moisture for hours. Like it's very long lasting. Like concept of this moisturizer, it's totally new, and the formula is also very new because this is the latest launch by the brand. So I think it is very nice moisturizer you can go for. And quickly I'm going to show you the scrub and the face pack. So in the Blue Light Defense range, you will also get this face pack. It's a coffee face pack. This is how the formula looks, and it has such a nice fragrance of coffee in it. And then we have face scrub from the Blue Light Defense range. So you can also go with this very gentle face scrub, beautiful face scrub that is suitable for all different skin type and sensitive skin as well. So this is how the packaging looks, so premium. And that's all guys, that's all about the video. You can check out my reviews on other different skincare products from the Color Bar and different other brands. You can also check out my hairstyling tools review. Like I have reviewed several hair straighteners from different brand functionalities and price range. So I hope that will give you some idea if you're planning to buy a hair straightener. So I come up with these hair and makeup related contents and product reviews. So do subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on my Instagram. I come up with a lot more interesting and trending makeup looks. So you can check out my Insta and we can stay connected there. And I will see you all very soon in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye guys.